we are asked to find the value for x. To find the value of x, what is the first thing to be done? The first thing to be done is that this 5 here, we are going to split it. To this, we have 4 raised to the power of x plus 2, then plus 4 raised to the power of x. Now, this 5 now, we can write it to be what? Then plus 2 plus 3. Okay? Now, what do we do? Equals 65. Now, having done that, we've solved for that. We have 4 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 4 raised to the power of what? X plus 2, then times 4 raised to the power of 3 equals 65. How do we get this 4 to the power of 3? We got it because in the law of indices, if you have something like this, okay, now as you have something like this now, this 4 to the power of x plus 2 times 4 to the power of 3, we can pick one 4, right, to the power of x plus 2, then add the power, add this to this, okay? So this is actually this. We only expanded it, okay? Now, is it law of indices? So we solve for that. Then we now have 4 to the power of x plus 2, then 4 to the power of x plus 2, both between the plus sign, before the plus sign and after the plus sign. So we are going to factor out 4 to the power of x plus 2 outside the bracket. So inside the bracket, when you remove 4 to the power of x plus 2 from here, we left it 1. Then this our plus have to come in. When you also remove 4 to the power of x plus 2 from here, this 4 to the power of x plus 2, remove it from here, from this 2 digits here. So we are going to be left with what? We are going to be left with 4 to the power of 3, then close the bracket, equals to 65. Now, what do? We say 4 to the power of x plus 2, then in bracket 1 plus 4 to the power of 3 is going to give us 64. Then close the bracket, equals to 65. So we solve for that. We say 4 to the power of x plus 2, open your bracket, 1 plus 64 is going to give us 65. Close the bracket, equals to 65. Now what do we do next? Then we divide both sides by 65 so that this 65, we strike 65, then 65 here 1, 65 here is also what? 1, then 1 over 1 is also what? 1. So let us create some space for this. So don't forget where we stop. Now, what do you do next? Here we are left with what? 4 to the power of x plus 2, right, equals to 1. Now, we solve for that. Say 4 to the power of x plus 2 equals to 1 can be written as, we want to put it in index. So, in the law of indices, if you have a to the power of 0, it's going to give us what? 1. Okay? So, b to the power of 0 is going to give us 1. So, we can also see 4 to the power of 0 to give us what? 1. So, instead of using 1, we use 4 to the power of 0 to replace this 1 over here. So, we are going to have 4 to the power of 0. So, we solve for that. Then, we have 4 and 4. The bases are not equal. Therefore, we are going to equate the power. To equate the power, we are keeping the base what aside. We are left with what? X plus 2 equals to 0. So you collect like term. Collecting like term, you have x equals to 0. When this comes here, it becomes minus 2. So x is now equals to minus 2. And this becomes our final answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.